Hey guys, welcome to Ian Outdoors. I got another video today on my New Holland hay liner, 268 Baler. Today we're going to be underneath it mostly, and we'll see what we can get into. I'm just going to get underneath right here, where it's kind of a hard spot to get. Just taking this scraper here and getting out all this old grass. Kind of a tough job under here. Not the easiest spot to get to. And it's hard to film. Ugh. Right here, another spot. That's up my nose. Ugh. Oh, this is a dirty job. It's a tight space. Now I got this spot all cleaned out. Used to have all this dirt on it like that. That's all over me now. But now it's all out, so I can scrape it out and paint it and make it all look nice. Out of there. They're all in big chunks like that, all packed together and hard to get out. They're pretty easy to crumble up though. These are real dirty jobs, getting all this dirt and dust out of here. Now I'm just going to sweep out all underneath. Should have cleaned that up before I was under there, but I only would have made a mess again. So now what I'm doing is I'm getting all this stuff here, all sanded down to nicer yellow and down to the metal for paint, but I can't really get in there that easy, so I have to think of another way to get in there. Top pieces of metal are causing a lot of trouble. Right now, I just put some grease onto these things, so they'll spin a lot better. These are really stiff. This one here especially was stiff. I did these two here. They're kind of harder to see. But this one here is real stiff, and that grease shark isn't taking grease. Neither is these two. Here, I'll get you a better view of that. This one here is still kind of stiff, but that one here's taking grease good. So now that I got those greased, I got to find another project. There's loads, I just don't know where to start. Ooh, stuck. Video guys, this one probably wasn't that interesting. I didn't have that much that I can do myself for the video. I need a lot of help with a lot of other stuff. I'm just trying to put a video out for something to do, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.